Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add payment method in Shopify. So let's get started. So here we are in Shopify, and what we're going to do to add a payment method is that we are going to go here in settings. In the bottom left of our screen, tap settings and then tap payments next. And once you're here, you'd be able to see the payment providers and the supported payment methods right here. And if Shopify Payments is available on your region, then you should be seeing it right here. But in my case, it is not. So if you have Shopify Payments, then I suggest that you activate that because that would be really convenient for you. But if not, then you can just click here and choose a provider, and you would still have a lot of choices on which one you can choose right here. So usually, I would recommend the one that has the most methods that can offer. So for example, this one has a lot, so I suggest that you go for this one right here. But if this doesn't really feel right for you, or it's kind of a hassle, then you can always try other methods right here because they are different supporters right here of methods. So if this one doesn't work for you, then you can just try this, or whatsoever until you find the right one for you. So for example, this one right here, you would find a different instruction right here about Adyen payments right here compared to this one right here. So I can show you that it is different for every installation steps that you would need to make in order for you to install this payment provider right here. And then the next one is you have the supported payment method. So PayPal would be my recommended one right here because this one is very easy. And yeah, PayPal is also available to a wide array of audiences or your buyers because PayPal is very easy to use right here. All they have to do is just provide your payment information there and PayPal would do the work for you. So I suggest that you go for this one because it's very easy, especially if you are just a beginner. But if not, then you can click on add payment method and then you would have some payment methods available for you here. But in my case, I don't have one in my region. And yeah, those are basically the payment methods that you can add here in Shopify. So take note that this might not look exactly the same to you because it would depend on your region on which payment method would be available for you. So that is basically it for this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.